I'm back. What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Brent, the ordinary man, the ordinary man. What I like to do, I like to inform, educate, enhance. How? Mentally, spiritually, financially, and physically. Yeah. Okay, people, we have a box. We have a box. And I really believe this is going to be something that we already know about. So let's open it up. Let's see. I hope it's what I think it is. I hope. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, man. Yeah. Okay. From GoPro. And yeah, let's see what it is. It won't come out. It won't come out. Are you serious? 2 hours later, right? How did they put this thing in here? Whew. All right. Yeah. So yeah, they put it in there pretty good. Let's see here. Well, they really packaged it. Wow. It's definitely sealed. I'm trying to be nice and not. I don't know. I've always been one of these guys that like to baby when I open stuff. So it didn't look like I was babying, huh? Supposed to cut away from me. Cut away. Gee. Who is that on this spot? There you go. There you go. Woo! Let's see here. Wow. I have a brand new drone. Look at, ain't she pretty? Wow. Oh, it's definitely new. It's definitely new. I can tell. Wow. It's not refurbished. If it is, they did a real good job. All right, folks. We have our drone. Now, let's see if it'll pair up. Okay, folks. I want to show you that this has full power. And this has full power. The battery. And I also have my license plate. So I can be able to locate or identify my, put this on the bottom of it. Yeah, I just put it right in the middle. So if my drone ever come up missing, I have it. So now, we're going to load the battery in there. We're going to turn the controller on. Let it boot up. Well, it's booting up. Okay. Now it says connect and pair the camera. So let's turn it on. Camera's on. See the lights. So now we're going to hold it for 8 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000. One, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. So it did turn on. So now we got to figure out, it's shutting off. That's good. I don't know if that's an error or whatever. But let's see if we can turn it off. One, 2, 3. So I ain't supposed to do that. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000. Turned it off. So we gotta figure it out. Let's do it one more time. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000. All right, it's in the pair mode. I'm pushing pair. Still not pairing. Okay, I'm gonna have to go offline and try to figure this out. I'm back. It's your boy Brent, the Ordinary Man. I have to make another video. I'm not happy, so this is not gonna be my professional one. So I'm just gonna make this real quick. And this is the Ordinary Man. I like to inform, educate, enhance how mentally, spiritually, financially, physically. This is going to just let you know I'm upset because I got a replacement and it did not work. And I'm showing you the procedure. So, hello, goodbye. Okay, I'm powering up. I'm powering up the controller. Seeing it powering it up.
I've heard that plenty of times.
Now it says camera's not connected. So now I'm about to power on the drone. Watch the gimbal. It's not going to do anything. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000. As you can see, the gimbal did not power up. Now I'm pushing pair. And as you notice, the gimbal has not powered on. So I already know it's not going to work. So I don't know what else to tell you, but that's it. I've been trying to do it, and if I go try to turn it off, it's not going to turn off. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Won't power off. Won't power off. I held it for 10 seconds. Did not power off. I will push it again. It will not power off. Look, one time. Won't power off. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10 1000, 11 1000, 12 1000, 13. I can't power it off. I have to pull the battery out. That's the only way I can power it off. Okay, also I want to show you that my gimbal works. I'm about to power on. This is my wand stick or whatever you call it, just to show you that it works. Look. You see it turn on? You see it's working? It's activated. So that just shows you that the gimbal works. So I just want to show you that it's not the gimbal, it's actually the drone. Powering it off.